My laser removal gave me everything I was looking for. I no longer have to shave my legs, and it lets me go about my day. It's a quick, fast shower, and I'm good.
The greatest thing about having laser hair removal is that the people who have stains where the hair is even after they shave, like women who have underarms that have that dark color after they shave. They never get rid of that dark stain where the follicle, where the hair is just shaved off. You can always see where the hair is, especially for women with very coarse hair, or men that shave their face and they have a very dark shadow. The great thing about laser hair removal is even after only about 3 treatments, that stain starts to go away because the hair itself, what does grow back, it becomes finer and finer and there's no stain. So women who hate that color in their underarms or their bikinis even will tend to get rid of that, and then they look like they just don't even have hair there after they shave what little is left.
There's no pain or discomfort after having laser hair removal. As for care afterwards, you're basically just loofahing your legs a couple days later, and any of the excess burnt hair then comes out.
We do not like to see people coming in right after they get waxed or right after they've plucked, or threading or sugaring. Those are all techniques that rip the hair out of the follicle. What we do like you to do is shave cleanly, because the laser is a heated device, and if the hair is long on the skin, it'll just burn the hair down to the skin. So we don't want you to come in without shaving. Depending on the area, it takes anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes to do small areas, and anywhere from 2 to 3 hours to do larger parts of the body. What you'll feel is a tiny poke. It's usually pretty painless. We do have numbing creams that you can use. Typically after the laser hair removal treatment is complete, you'll have little areas of swelling around each hair shaft that came out or that is still laying in the skin. That is a great endpoint. It's what we want to see.
The length of my procedure for my legs is probably about an hour and a half long. My technician, whose name is Crystal, is very, very good. She's very discreet and very professional, which is something that I look for. Because again, this is a private matter. It's not something you want to share with the world.
We have 2 different kinds of lasers that actually can remove hair. So at any given time we have a laser available to do laser hair removal. We can do hair removal on man's face, actually the head, if they want to have a completely bald head. Majority of people have laser hair removal for the underarms and bikini for women. It is more of a woman oriented procedure, but a lot of men now are coming involved with it, especially with back hair. The way the laser works is it targets the color that makes our hair brown or black. It doesn't see white or gray hair because there really is no color. The color is melanin. You've probably heard of that before. And as the laser is discharged into the skin, it searches out that color and it explodes, or it takes care of or removes the follicle where the hair is developing.
My experience at Allure has been wonderful. I have never had a bad experience. All the girls are very, very pleasant. Again, it's very private and discreet, and my technician is very well educated, and any question I've ever had has always been answered, and Dr. Moak has always been available.
Usually after about 2 to 3 treatments, you really stop having ingrown hairs. Men who get a lot of ingrown hairs around their neckline, they can have maybe 3 treatments and find that they don't have any of those deep ingrown hairs that create problems with the skin. Same with bikini. Women hate to have their bikini looking anything but perfect. So after a few treatments, you typically won't have that. You'll find you won't have any ingrown hairs anymore. Even if you do have a little hair growing, you won't have ingrown hairs anymore. It looks perfect.
The benefits of the procedure is, number 1, that you don't have to shave your legs. Number 2, when you put that lotion on, it's always nice and glistening, and in the summertime you can always wear skirts, and very last minute notice you can go to a party and not have to worry about getting ready. I would absolutely suggest this procedure to anyone looking to have permanent hair removal. It saves you time. It may cost you a little bit of money in the beginning, but in the end it saves you so much more.